Alright, today I'm going to be reviewing for you guys a synthetic lace front wig from Amazon. It's from the brand Joedir. The construction of the cap, it looks like this. It has two combs in the front, one here and one in the back. When I put on a wig, I usually put it like a little bit behind my actual hairline, and then I take out my natural hair in the front like that so it can blend in better, like so. I put it here so it can blend with the wig and everything, just like that. This is how I make them look, you know, natural, and you see. And it was only $40. Let me show you guys the actual Amazon picture of the wig. Is this one. I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. That's the wig. This is perfect for like spring and summer, and you know, it's definitely island vacation hair. And you can even like flip it to the side like that, make it look more realistic or like effortless, like you're not trying, like, you know, like so. But it's really pretty. This wig is definitely worth the buy.